Hello. Hey, we're on the second bike ride. Like I said, I got my bike back, so that's good. It took forever to get back, so now, instead of riding my brother's tiny bike, I can ride my own bike. And then my brother's back here yelling at me because he's with me. We're gonna do the whole loop. Last time we went about not halfway, like maybe a third ish, and then back turned around. But this time we're gonna do the whole loop. Let's do this. Let's go to stop for my brother. Wait.
Hi!
And this is why our road has the name Loop in it, because it says the road's in huge loop. So then down here there's some like mountain biking trail. I was not gonna do that now. Might do that later. We're catching up.
Don't hurt me!
Bye.
Don't hurt me!
I tell you, we walked this last night and it's so much faster biking than walking. I mean, I know it's faster, but it's really a huge difference. Of course, now we went downhill, now it's uphill, so yeah. Of course, since I'm recording, I either have to ride my bike with no hands or one hand, which going on flat surface or up, or flat surface or downhill, it's easy. Going uphill, it's a little more difficult. I'm gonna stop for my brother because he's way back there. So, the movers left a while ago. Everything's unloaded. My brother has his room completely done. My room's mostly done, just needs some organization. And then tons of boxes in the garage, tons of boxes in my parents' bedroom, and tons of boxes in the kitchen area. So, yeah. Keep going. I'll just let you get ahead.
Hi, buddy. I am slow.
What gear are you in? 2 what? 2-2? Okay. Oh, whoa! I thought I was gonna catch a crash on camera. There's a bunny.
I can't look up here. Whoa!
Oh, that's a zombie. So let's start for biking on because there's like never cars on this, so don't really have to worry about getting hit by a car or motorcycle or anything. Well, it's not my quote, but someone else's quote, but as I said, teamwork makes the dream work, is to quote it today. And me and my brother helped each other like unpack boxes for our rooms and all that stuff. Because like my bro unpacked his so fast. He has like, I mean, he has a lot, but it's like we do like these small trains on train tracks. So we have a ton of boxes, and they go in his room. So I mean, I stood up on a little step stool and helped him get him into the closet. But other than that, he didn't have much. Me, I have like all the board games, a ton of junk, but I don't want to throw it away. So I mean, technically I have everything, but there's a lot of stuff all over my desk. I'm trying to figure out what to put. And like, another thing is that the room's kind of smaller, and I don't know if it's too big. It's like my dad had 2 pieces of desk, and he only wanted 1. So he kept wanting to give me 1. Then my old desk was just way too big, so we're gonna get rid of that. Then my bed is just way too big because my other small one before we moved, it was just so old and like not so old, but it was just kind of breaking and stuff. So this other bed was perfect for my old room, but for this room it's just too big, so we didn't put it in my room. We just took it's like because it doesn't have an actual mattress. It just has a foam pad and like this cushiony thingy. So we just took those and we'll sleep on those and get rid of my old bed. Then sometime within the next few days we'll get a new bed. So yeah, but yeah, I'm just glad that we don't have to drive in. The house is nice. I really like the house. I mean, it's smaller. There's not as much storage space or whatever, but it's a lot nicer, I think. Okay, there's a car coming, so yeah. First car I've ever seen on this road. Because since the house is smaller, we're going to soon get a shed. That would be pretty easy. It's pretty easy to get someone to build a shed. But then something, oh my god, I almost fell off my bike. Something I do that's a lot harder is, well, 2 things. 1, blow out a wall of the garage and expand it because we want a storage space in the garage. And also, we want an extra room to like put, so if Nate's car, be careful. We want an extra room to put stuff in, so we're going to blow out some wall somehow. We're going to get the shed soon. Now, expanding, who knows when that's coming. I think shed we kind of need soon, because we have like a lot of stuff. It's like our old house, the garage was a lot bigger for 1, and 2 of these overhead storage things above the garage, so we need a shed. But yeah, we're working on that. Almost there. Turn left up here, go down straight, and we're home. Actually, you know what? Nate, you mind going down this dirt road? Please? Just a little bit. I really want to go down this dirt road. It looks so fun. Just little ways, please. I'll give you candy.
No.
Please? Okay, go home. Can you get home safe?
Yeah.
Tell them I went down the dirt road. Okay? Okay. In my road, I won't go down the dirt road. So he's gonna go home. I'm gonna go down this dirt road. Let's do this. That's another thing about our street is most roads in this huge community neighborhood are dirt, like the one I'm on now, but ours is paved, which is awesome. You go down this road because you go downhill, then you go up this hill. I'm gonna be honest, I'm just looking. Once I go up this hill, so I'm going downhill, I go uphill, I'm gonna turn around because I don't know where this road goes. Since I walked down the road last time, I'm familiar with it. I'm comfortable riding it because I know where to go. But this road, on the other hand, no idea where it goes, and I don't want to ride too far because I don't have neighbors. I didn't really laugh at my brother with me, but I don't want to ride too far. It's also nice because here they have a community pool and stuff, which we might or might not go today. Maybe not. I'm not sure, but we'll go sooner than later. Okay, I'm going to turn around now because I don't know where this road goes. Let's turn around right up here. Oh god. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry about that shakiness. I had to switch gears and I can't do that with no hands, so I'll have to put my phone on the handle. Telling you, I love New Mexico. It's so much better than Nevada, but like, I bet a lot of people think, you probably think New Mexico is dry and insanely hot. Right now, it's cooler than it was in Reno when we left. Well, almost home. Also, it's cool because I was born in New Mexico. We only lived here for a year. Then we went to Reno. So, yeah. Gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed my first vlog, bike vlog. So, if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it, and I'll see you all next time. Adios.